Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we will cover another transforming command, which is a top command, and here is the outline. We'll quickly recap the transforming commands because we have already covered that part in our last video about the rear command. And of course in the end we are going to see the demo and usage of this top command. And also for the better understanding, I have prepared one comparison chart where we can see some similarities between the top and rear command. So the transforming commands are the commands which transform your search result into some numerical data tables which are required for the visualizations like pie chart, bar chart, line chart, etc. And the scope of this video is to cover the usage of this top command. And we can use these transforming commands after our basic search commands linked with the pipe operator. So if you see the syntax of this command, we have two optional arguments, and one is obvious. We have to specify the field to this top command, and if you don't specify any limit to be written while using this top command, so it will return the 10. So exactly what it returns, the top command returns the most common values for your specified field. And if you see in the comparison chart, we'll find that the top and rear has many similarities except in its output, where top command returns the most common values and rear command returns the least common values for the specified field. Syntax is also very much similar, uh, and when we use this top or rear command in our searches, so it creates two new fields like count and percent. These two fields can be renamed and can be make it off from our search result. So the default value for this top and rear, default value means the results to be written, the number of results to be written are 10 when we use this command, and the maximum result is a 50,000, and it is for both. So if you want to configure these kind of configuration like max result, so we have a limits.config file. So we should not modify the limits.config from the Splunk home default directory. Instead we should configure or modify it from the local folder of the Splunk directory. So let's move to the demo. So here in Splunk, I have ingested the sales data, sample sales data for our demo purpose. So I'll just reformat or restructure that data to get into the tabular format so that we can easily run our queries and see the results. So it will give you the table in country, items, and units sold format. So what we will do, we'll just use the top command on the item. So it should give us the top item, which will be the most common in this data. So as I said earlier, this is very similar with the rear command, except the difference is we can say that the rear command will return the least common values of the specified field, whereas top command will return the most common values of the specified field. So here we can see that there are default 10 items as a result of top command. We can see it, and if you just for our understanding convert this into the rear, it will also return the same kind of result, except it will give the least common values. And also you will see that even the top command has also created two new fields like count and percent. So the same we have seen in the rear command. So you can see here we have the same two new fields, count and percent, added. So we can rename this field if you want. So let's type this count field option, and we can give the more appropriate name. Just for the understanding, we'll give the test count name here, and we'll see whether it changes or not. So you can see that the count field had changed to the test count, and also we can make this field off by using this option show percent, or we can check it on percent field. So show percent, and we use the false value for it, and it should disappear from our result. Yes, you can see it. And in similar way, we can use the limit option to limit the number of results that we want to return. So here we can directly specify a number. For example, I want to get the top 5 items and I don't want the percent field. So let's search it again, and we'll see that this top command will return only 5 results. Yes, you can see it. Okay, and also we can using the by clause, we can group these items by country as well. So in this search, what we are doing, in each country we are identifying the top items. So for example, for Albania, the cloth is the most common item. For Angola, household is the most common item. So like that, we can use this command. So if you found this video useful, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.